Hey guys, so I just now uploaded the answer checker file for your homework. And this video is just a short video to walk you through how this system works. It's really quite simple, okay? First of all, for reasons I cannot change, the link to the answer checker is always going to be called the scavenger hunt on flippity.net. That's just the website that I use. All right, so let's follow it. Let's see what happens, okay? Aha, so now you enter your name and period. I'll just enter Dave period 1, because that's one of the classes that I taught today, okay? Now, take a look here. This homework that we did, the 2.3 homework, had 34 questions on it, okay? We ended up breaking this up into 2 days, so that ain't so bad, I suppose. If you would like to check your answer on one of the questions, you would just click the lock, all right? And it'll give you the question again, okay? It's the exact same question from your homework. So while you're looking over the homework and, filling in your answers and stuff, let's pretend that we've opened up the homework and we're filling in our answers, okay? So for example, number 1, you're converting this number to scientific notation. Now this is one that I did on a lot of examples. So let's take a look here. You bounce your decimal to the right, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 5.1 times 10 raised to the negative 6. Okay, negative 6 because it was a small number. Another way you could write this, if you'd prefer, you could do 5.1e negative 6. Both of these are acceptable answers. And now you want to check and see if you got them right. So you open up that Flippity scavenger hunt, you click to question 1, and you're like, okay, 5.1e negative 6. And then you click this little key to see if it works. It worked. Fantastic. Okay, it worked. You did it. Now, if you got it wrong, all right, let's go back to another question and get that one wrong. Okay, so number 2. Okay, number 2. The question to number 2 was convert 54,500,000 into scientific notation. So I'm going to bounce the decimal point over until I get between 1 and 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 5.45 times 10 raised to the 7th. Or if you prefer, 5.45 E7. Okay. Now let's say that I messed this problem up. Let's say that I got something wrong. Let's say instead I got 54.5 times 10 to the 6th. I just didn't bounce enough. All right. Let's say that this was the answer that I got. Well, let me try putting that in the answer checker. All right. 54.5 E6. And I press the key. You can't hear it, but there's a little clicky sound, like it's not turning. If you have trouble with the homework, I have left hints. All right. Are you sure you want to show the hint? Yes. All right. And it gives you a hint that might help you out. No guarantee that that's the reason why it's not working out, but I hope it does help. Okay. So anyways, there you go. You just go through all of these. Make sure you read the instructions carefully, okay, and how you're supposed to format the answer. It's always a bummer when you get the answer right, but you just don't type it in correctly. So I tried to be very clear, and whenever possible, I tried to give multiple correct answers based on how you wrote it. So I hope that helps you out. Okay, I don't want to be like another meme that gets posted online where it's like the answer was 57.1, and I wrote 57.1. And it was wrong. Well, it's probably wrong because maybe there was an unnecessary space in there. Okay, it matters. This program is not very smart. It doesn't understand that you kind of got the answer. Either you get it or you didn't. Y'all remember STEM, right? How the computers are the smartest idiots you'll find. All right, they're really great at following instructions if the instructions are 100% exact. So just be careful. Okay, if you get it right, let's see here, 5.45. You can also write these answers times 10 raised to the 7th. Clicky, clicky. What was the correct answer? Let's see. 5.45 E7. Is that what I wrote? 5.45 E7. Now listen, I might mess this up occasionally, guys. I'm going to go and fix this, but keep in mind, if you definitely got one right and the answer checker tells you it's wrong, you email me. You let me know. Mr. Gucci, I think you made a mistake in the answer checker. And if you're right and I am wrong, then I give you major bonus points on the homework, okay? So that's one way to get major bonus points on the homework. If you're right on the answer checker and I'm wrong, I don't know, I'll give you like 5 extra points, right? I'll give you a 15 out of 10. That's like half of a homework pass. The other way you can get bonus points on this homework is, oh, wait a second. What was my? I know what I did wrong here. I didn't make a mistake. I was solving number 3, not number 2. So once again, it pays to read. Okay, this is number 2. Convert 1.2 million. All right, so 1.2 times 10 to the 6th. I got to follow my own advice. I got to read. You got to read the instructions, Mr. Gucci. Another way you can get homework extra credit is if you check all your answers and they're all correct. Then when you click, unlock for the last one, you'll get an option to. I won't do everything, but once you do everything, it will send me an email. Okay, it'll send me an email. It's like, oh, Dave from period 1 got all the answers right. And I'm like, oh, then you checked your answers. And I'll give you bonus points for that. So that's how you can get some bonus points with this answer checker. Okay. Anyways, guys, good luck. I hope this is more of a help than a frustration. Okay. Double check. Double check. If you think you got it right and my answer checker was wrong, let me know. And if you are correct and I am wrong, I will give you bonus points. All right, guys. Have a good day.